different philosophical perspective about the self. Philosophical perspectives on the self vary widely, each offering unique insight into the nature of identity, consciousness, and existence. Here's an overview of several prominent viewpoints. 1. Ancient Greek philosophy. Advert notes the self, emphasizing self-awareness and virtue as the foundation of meaningful life. He believed the true self is found through reason, moral integrity. Proposed the soul consists of reason, spirit, and appetite. A just individual has these elements in harmony with reason governing the others. View the self as an integrated composite of body and soul, with the soul being the form of the body. He emphasized the importance of empirical observation and the development of virtues to practice. 2. Eastern philosophy. Buddhism. Denies the extension of ancient self, anatta. Instead, the self is collection of ever-changing physical and mental process. 3. Modern Western philosophy. Famously state, I think, therefore I'm emphasizing the role of consciousness and reason in defining the self. He posited a dualistic view of mind and body as distinct substances. Number 4. Contemporary philosophy. Existentialism argue the existence precedes essence. Individuals are free to define themselves through their choice and action. Responsibility for one's self-creation is a key theme. Number 5. Filipino perspectives. A core concept in Filipino psychology, emphasizing in interconnectedness and shared identity with others. It values community and reciprocal relationships. Number 6. Impact of technology. Digital identity. How technology and social media shape self-perception and presentation. Online person data privacy and the impact of digital interaction on self-esteem are key issues.